1955 Parkhurst, Buddy Rogers, Nature Boy, the first ever WWF champion. PSA 1, very rare card, key card for the set, very rare. Bates Ford, PSA 1.5. Johnny Bernard, PSA 2, good. Leo Newman, PSA 2. Bill Longson, PSA 3, very good condition. All Oming, PSA 2, cool card. Steve Stanley, PSA 2. George Scott, PSA 3, very good condition. Nick Roberts, PSA 2. Warren Brockwinkle, PSA 2. Don Evans, PSA 4. Tex McKenzie, PSA 4. Nice looking card. Steve Patrick, PSA 3. Daniel O'Shaker, PSA 3. Ken Coley, PSA 3. Martin Hulzer, PSA 3. Sammy Berg, PSA 3. Emil Dukesk, PSA 2. Bill McDaniels, PSA 3. Bob Wagner, PSA 3. Harold Nelson, PSA 3. Jack Bentz, PSA 4, very good to excellent condition. Nice, very nice card there. See the back, they're in English and in French. These was printed in 1955 in Canada in both 1954 and 55. These cards are very extremely rare and the first ever pro wrestling card set. Jack Claiborne, PSA 2. Nice looking card. Zora, PSA 3. And look how jacked these guys was. This was before steroids and everything. So 1955, that was before really bodybuilding was a huge thing. So it's pretty impressive to see some of these guys' physiques. Lord Layton, PSA 3. Warren Brockwinkle, PSA 2. Sky High Lee, PSA 3. Super cool looking card. Cowboy. Sowar Morgan, PSA 3. Don Lee, PSA 2. Ken Coley, PSA 2. Lou Kim, PSA 2. Frank Macaroni, PSA 2. And last but not least, Yvonne Robert, PSA 2. Looks like he's doing the Hulk Hogan, can you hear me, signature move there. So this is a 1955 Parkhurst wrestling set. I have all these listed on eBay. And I'm trying to go after the full set. And I will also have these at the next card show, April 28th. And to read the back of the Buddy Rogers cards, it says, a polished, graceful matte star who rates right up at the top in real speed, skill, and power. He likes drop kicks and the pile driver and is genuinely a tough, serious workman, a fine swimmer. He is one of the best conditioned athletes in the world, which explains much of his success. And so, Buddy Rogers, this was the first ever WWF champion. And even though this is just a PSA 1, when you scan the barcodes here for the PSA set registry, I believe it's only like 30 or so that's graded higher. These cars are extremely rare. And plus, all the cars that's printed in Canada, it's hard to find in good condition. I don't know, maybe if they was using sports cars as hockey pucks, not sure. But it's really hard to find Canadian versions in good condition. So this is a really cool set. I've been collecting this set now for a couple years. I really enjoy this set. Really been trying to go after the full set. I have a bunch of these ungraded. And so if there's some interest, if I get a few likes, then I'll just post them anyways for my own enjoyment and make a whole video of all of them. And just really good, like I said, really trying to go for the complete set. It's a very rare set. You don't see really too many of these in complete sets. So, but I will post more wrestling cards. I have a bunch of wrestling cards. Love to collect wrestling cards. Been a wrestling fan since 1980. When I was a teenager, I thought for sure I was going to grow up to be a professional wrestler. Feel free to leave any comments that you guys might have. Thank you.